Woodworkers, do you have patterns like this window? Do you need a CAD file like I have here for your CNC cutting machine? Are you tired of measuring things? Well, I'm going to show you how you can use this pen stylus and this board to get the files that you need. You just place the part on the pattern on the board. You start the Logic Tray software. Now I've started doing my pattern. I'm going to finish up here. I click the start button. I take the pen stylus and I just digitize the outline with the pen stylus. I've got a bunch of lines here for the outside. Click stop. Now let's do that inside pattern. Click start. I've got a line right here. I've got now an arc. I have another line. I have another arc. So I just go all the way around my pattern, whatever it is. I can do freehand drawing, lines, arcs, circles. I can do curves. Whatever I have, in a very short time, I'll have a great file for you. Just think of all of the time this would save you in tracing your patterns. I'm all finished. Click stop. There it is. Let's save the file, a DXF file. I give it the name and then I save it on the computer, load that onto my CAD program, and there it is. I'm all ready for cutting.